Okay, today we're gonna show you the location of relay box for Honda City 1.5 2010. So here you go. This one, this one is located for the radiator relay, and this happen when the radiator fan cannot turn off, even though the key is pulled out from the main key. Yeah. So after we try another relay, then the fan is automatic shut down, and we define that the relay is a problem. Then we will change the relay. After this we get the new relay, then we just put it out the relay. Okay, this is location. So I think maybe this information help you to find the and solve the problem. Okay, see you guys.